Hello, today we are doing a repair for Isaac Blackmon at 107 Highland Drive. We're going to be replacing this shingle here. I do have the roof snake tool to put the nails in and prevent from having to lift the shingles too high. Shingles around it are not damaged but are in poor condition. Let's go ahead and attempt this repair. So let's unseal all these shingles. That one came right up. This one again comes right up. Looks like they are not sealed very well. I can hear lots of matting transfer as well. Start with these lower four nails. There's one. Again, being careful not to lift these shingles too high. There's nail number 2. That one actually ripped a hole in the shingle as it was coming out. Again, this nail head just went right through that shingle. Completely tore it as it was coming out. That's the one on the bottom. Let's move to the upper row. Again, this one went right through the shingle and it delaminated this shingle as well. So that is no good. Let's get the next one. Should be just 2 or 3 more. There we go. And again, this one just went right through that shingle.
They'll show the delamination and the nail pull-throughs at the end.
Lots of shingle coming out with those nails. I think that's it. Yep. So we've got lots of degranulation here. We've got giant holes in the shingle. My finger can almost fit through that. So let's go ahead. Put this new in and see how it fits. All right, that is in there. Pretty snug. Let's go ahead and use the roof snake to put these nails back. Again, just enough nails in. Did damage the shingle a bit right here with that roof snake. And these upper shingles have got some tears in them. Right in there. See, we're taking that nail out. Ripped the shingle. We've got a rip right here in the shingle above as well. Let's get the rest of these nails in. Try and be careful. Here. All right. So we do have a couple issues here with the tabs coming loose, creases in the shingles. We've got lots of degranulation. So, a couple issues. You can see here, the two shingles above have been damaged. This shingle has ripped here. This shingle underneath. This shingle underneath here as well has ripped. And then we've also got lots of matting transfer on the back of these shingles. So that is going to have issues sticking down. Let's see the top one. Same thing. Same thing. So we've got two creases, torn nails, two ripped shingles. This repair has failed. This is not as good quality as it was before this repair. We've actually done more damage trying to change one. We've damaged now two other shingles. So any damaged slopes are going to need to be replaced. Thank you for your time.